Ang lasa.
Sarap!
Hi guys, I'm John.
And I'm Ron.
And this is JROHN TV.
What's up guys? Welcome back to JROHN TV. So for this vlog, ipapakita namin sa inyo yung ways how to earn extra money.
That's right. So we did some research online and we found these 4 tips that we think are interesting and doable.
So the first way to earn this extra money is to actually charge the e-scooter. If you're Calgarian or if you live here in Calgary, makita niyo sa labas nagkalat yung mga e-scooters. Usually, these are the bird scooter or the lime scooter. And then, pwede nyo i-charge like for one scooter, you can earn like $3 to $5.
Tip number 2. So if you're in photography and you have a collection of amazing pictures, you can actually sell it online. So there are different kinds of websites such as Shutterstock, Prestock, 500px, and many more that will allow you na i-upload mo lang yung pictures mo and then they will evaluate it and then they will pay you. Cool, right? Tip number 3. There is a website called Swagbucks that will pay you to watch a movie online.
Really?
Yeah, cool, right?
Tip number 4. Naniniwala ka ba na may pera sa basura?
Hindi nga.
Oo, meron, promise.
Talaga?
Yep. So, if you have empty bottles, you can actually sell it on bottle depots or recycling center around Calgary. But, hindi pa namin alam how much per bottle. That's why, on this vlog, we're gonna show you how to sell empty bottles here in Canada. So these are the empty bottles that we've collected.
Just a disclaimer, guys. These are collected from friends.
Yeah.
We are not alcoholic. Siguro, half lang. Or maybe hanggang dito lang iniinom namin. Yeah, but these are collected from friends.
Yeah, that's right. So, okay, let's make money! So guys, our total is $770. Nice, right?
So that's a mission accomplished, guys. So our total
Is $7.70.
So, kailangan pa namin mag-ipon ng maraming bote.
Oh. See, pwede ka talagang kumita sa basura. Tama ako, di ba?
Yeah, tama ka nga doon.
So now, saan na tayo pupunta?
So now, we're off to YYC Food Drops!
Yay! May pambili na kami!
May pambili namin ng food!
Okay, see you there!
See you.
Bye!
is we're going to buy poutine, which is very famous here in Canada.
Yeah. Well, poutine is like French fries in the Philippines, pero instead na simple French fries lang siya, nilagyan nila siya ng toppings like cheese, like ano pa ba yun, yung parang onions, and then may sauce siya, may beef, minsan may beef or pork on top. Kaya parang mas mabigat siya compared sa fries.
Thank you. Perfect, thank you.
Thank you.
Now, we're here in YYC Food Truck here in Grey Eagle. So these are the things that we bought. So first, we bought some juice. This is mojito and this is raspberry. Sarap.
Ano lasa?
Para siyang raspberry. Tastes like raspberry. Na matamis. Sarap. Na may lemon. Sarap.
So guys, this is mojito. Meron siyang lemon, then may lime, tapos may mint siya sa loob. Ang tamis. Medyo maasim siya na matamis, pero so sarap. Lasang-lasa mo yung mint tsaka lemon naghahalo. Sobrang refreshing. Perfect.
We bought these tacos. So this is pork belly tacos. So there's carrots, pork belly, and in a bun. Ang lasa. Medyo wala siyang lasa. Lasa lang siyang ketchup. Pero malambot yung bun. And this is poutine. Wow! Ang sarap. Looks yummy. So this is shrimp poutine.
Okay guys, so this one is called poutine. And ang flavor nito ay seafood. So makikita nyo sa ibabaw meron siyang gravy, and then may shrimp, tapos may mga cheese, and then syempre yung pinaka-importante is the French fries or just fries. So let's try. Sarap! Ang sarap, sobrang sarap. Lasang-lasa mo yung shrimp, tsaka parang mushroom soup siya. I don't know. Pero yung sobrang cheesy niya. Alam mo, meron akong idea.
What?
What if i-recreate natin tong poutine on our next vlog, and then gawin natin siyang Filipino style? What do you think?
Pwede.
So
Yeah.
guys, abangan nyo yun. I-recreate namin tong poutine, and then we're gonna do it Filipino style. That would be great.
Yep. So we know that the money that we've got from selling the bottles in Bottle Depot is kulang pa to buy a food.
But, nakatulong siya or nakadagdag siya para makabili kami ng food dun sa mga food trucks. So, if you have bottles at home, ipunin nyo lang yun kasi pwede nyo ibenta.
Or yung mga lagayan ng mga milk nyo or mga soda bottles, pwede rin yun.
Yeah.
And that ends our vlog for today.
So, if you enjoyed this video, please like and share. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, hit the subscribe button.
And don't forget to click the notification down below so that you'll be updated on our future vlogs.
Bye!
Yan ba yan?
Yeah, this one.
Okay.
Actually, so for our cheesecake recipe, we need this lotus biscoff, and we're gonna use 2 packs of it, so it's 250 gram biscoff biscuits. And we're also gonna use the biscoff spread. So for this one, we need 250 grams, and I think this is enough because this is 400 grams. Okay.